Hi you guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about reviewing and swatching the entire range of gloss up vinyl lip color that is available in 14 versatile shades for you to choose from. This range has some gorgeous shades like nudes, browns, mauves, pinks, reds, and burgundy. Firstly, talking about the packaging, it comes in this lovely packaging that is color coded with the shade that is inside. It has a sleek doe foot applicator that makes the application super easy and precise. Now, since I've already tried this product, I can vouch for the fact that this is completely worth your money. And the best part is it retails only for 199 rupees. That's correct, you heard me right. Only for 199 rupees. The correct way to use this is that you have to shake this product really well before you use it, and that's all. There's definitely no stickiness or tackiness to this lipstick whatsoever. It gives your lips that beautiful gloss-like shine, and it is so comfortable to wear and extremely pigmented. Also, this lipstick doesn't really dry out your lips. In fact, it feels quite moisturizing. Now that it's been 15 minutes since I applied this lipstick, it has become completely transfer-proof and smudge-proof. Let me show you guys. Look at that, no transfer whatsoever, and the best part is the lipstick still has its shine. I don't have to worry about touch-ups with this lipstick at all because I can just apply it once and be carefree. You can eat, drink, snack, munch on whatever you want, but this lipstick is not coming off. By the way, these lipsticks smell heavenly. Now that we're done with the review, let's go ahead and swatch them all. I'm gonna swatch them from the order of 1 to 14 while explaining what each shade looks like so that you can pick your favorite shade. Shade number 1 is called Blush Bloom. Blush Bloom is a soft, dusty mauve pink that serves as a gentle everyday neutral. Shade number 2 is called Cocoa Delight, a rich medium chocolate brown with warm earthy undertones. Shade number 3 is called Spiced Caramel, a warm rusty terracotta shade that sits between orange and brown. Shade number 4 is Crimson Dream, a deep, bold maroon red that offers a dramatic vampy look. Shade number 5 is called Sable Sunset, a muted deep brownish plum that looks sophisticated and dark. Shade number 6 is Muted Maple, a dusty rose brown that perfectly balances cool pink and warm earthy tones. Shade number 7 is called Cappuccino Crush, a cool toned coffee colored brown that works well as a deep nude. Shade number 8 is Sweet Peony, a bright, cheerful medium pink with a fresh floral vibe. Shade number 9 is called Ginger Spice, a warm burnt orange brown reminiscent of autumn spices. Shade 10 is called Fuchsia Fever, an electric, vibrant magenta pink that makes a bold, high-energy statement. Shade 11 is Peach Perfection, a soft, warm coral pink that adds a fresh, summery glow. Shade number 12 is called Scarlet Desire, a classic bright cherry red for a timeless pop of color. Shade 13 is called Barely There, a very pale, subtle beige nude for a natural, understated look. Shade number 14 is called Earthy Rose, a deep brownish rose shade that combines romantic pinks with grounding earthy tones. Here are the hand swatches of all the 14 shades and they look so good. I feel like there is something for every single skin tone in this range. Let me know in the comment section which out of these 14 shades are you going to add to your cart. I hope you like this video. Do like, subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.